Hi, I'm Suresh Kumar and this is Rift Rewind, an AI-powered League of Legends here in review. It helps players understand how their play involved, powered by AWS Bedrock and FastAPI. Most players end the session buried in numbers. Rift Rewind turns the chaos into clarity. Here is the live dashboard. You can see the performance timeline, AI core, everything using AWS Bedrock. You will see now. This is the live dashboard of the Rift Rewind project. The performance timeline, you can see here, the performance timelines, it shows win rate and KDA trends. Win rate, you see, win rate 58%, win rate 55%, and KDA is 2.9, and KDA 3.4 slightly better, and the win rate is 60, and later it become KDA is 57%. So this is the performance timeline using graphical interface, and this is the future impact. And you can see here the vision score is 32%, and the CA importance 25%, and the gold earned is 18%, status 15%, and kills 88%, deaths 2.0%. And finally we can see the AI coach tips. This is the one average, it shows average CS, games, you see games, and you can see the table structure also, and you can see win rate using table structure. This is the one table structure. Average cards, you can see cards, and you will see the table structure, and average CS. The backend runs on FastAPI and AWS. The frontend uses Vite Tailwind and recharts for smooth visualization. Here is how Rift Rewind flows from match data through FastAPI and AWS Bedrock, then rendered in React. Now we'll move on to the API console. This is actually Nginx server, and I'm just opening one shell script. It has 10 curl commands, all related to this project. This one for health, backend health via Nginx, backend health local, and get insights of demo player via Nginx, insight via backend, and post generate recap via Nginx, query param version, and verbose TLS connect check, source handshake plus HTTP status. 9th one is core simulation, 10th one is anti-check service and ports. So these are the services. I'm just running it. So I'm just running it right now. It is running successfully. Wow. So these are the result of that curl command. From this is the one anti-check service and ports now. So everything is running and showing the ports. And the second thing is 9th one is core simulation. It is having some problem. It is showing it's having some problem. And the other verbose TLS is showing 200 set OK. And the 6th one, it gives the results, insights. See, these are the results. And 5th one, get inside, the data is not found. And backend health is OK. And another thing is also 200 OK. All insights are computed dynamically. No hard coding, just data driven. We have already planning deeper AWS integration, fine-tuned AI, and real-time React API data. Our mission is simple: turn cold data into personal growth stories that inspire players. Fade out with Rift Rewind logo or see your 2025 Rewind anime. Our roadmap is mapped with phase wise. Right now we are in the MVP FastAPI React dashboard, then phase 2 Bedrock fine tuning for Lego context, phase 3 AWS Lambda, S3 cloud deployment, phase 4 React API